Alright, just as promised, I'm watching Chasey on Super Brakes, redoing the brakes on the Ram, and said I'm gonna record this brake. Here we go. Let's go. I'm on the hood of the Ram. See what we hit. We've hit 9 1-of-1s so far. Let's go. See my hands? Doing the brakes. Hear the traffic? I'm out in the barn. Red Rush, Cecil, Invincible, and Battle Beast Pop Art. Look at that. Right behind him, Battle Beast. Isn't that fitting? There he is. 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 Let's go. Flaxens, Invincible, Immortal, and Doc. Probably shouldn't be touching these cards, but this is a special moment. So why not? You only live once, right? And they're my cards. Dark Blood, Titan, Invincible, and Battle Beast again. Battle Beast. Battle Beast. Very cool. Let's go. Come on, 1-of-1. I hit 1-of-1s for everybody else. Let's hit one of them for me. Furnace, Invincible, Omni-Man, and Alan the Alien. Let's go. I don't know if you can hear Chasey's feed in the background, but he's on right now. Fish Lips. Oh, I got a blood splatter. I got a blood splatter. Black Samson, Omni, and bang! Flaxen's blood splatter. Let's go. Nice. I will take it. 3 more to go. Come on. That was, I like a blood splatter. That was a nuke. Omni and Rihanna, Invincible, the Maulers, and Debbie on the pop art. I'll take the pop arts, man. I like the pop arts. I will take those all day long. All right, here we go. William, Invincible, and Adam Eve. Invincible, and Battle Beast again. How do you like that? Battle Beast and Battle Beast in the background. I love it. I love it. A Battle Beast box. Alright, here's the relic. No 1-of-1, but I got a blood splatter. That's cool. I'll take it. I will take it. Titan. The Flaxens beating up Invincible. Invincible again. And Green Ghost. There you go. Green Ghost with the splatter. I will take it. I like my Green Ghost. Alright guys, there you have it. First impromptu break in between doing my brake pads on the Ram. So there you go. Like, share, comment. Listen to that. Subscribe if you like it. Check out all my videos. DodgeZen everywhere on all the platforms. Thanks, guys.